Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that the Earth can no longer breathe properly. Oxygen levels begin to fall. Weather becomes extreme. Rain disappears in some places and floods others. Now imagine being told this happened because one forest vanished. This is not science fiction. This is a real possibility. Today, we are traveling deep into the Amazon rainforest, a place so powerful that it controls weather, stores carbon, shelters ancient tribes, and supports life across the entire planet. And here's the truth: if the Amazon collapses, life on Earth will never be the same. So stay with me till the end, because the final section reveals why the Amazon may be closer to collapse than most people realize. The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. It covers more than 5.5 million square kilometers, stretching across 9 South American countries, including Brazil, Peru, Colombia, and Venezuela. To understand its size, it is larger than the entire European Union. It represents over half of the world's remaining rainforests. Nearly 1 in every 10 known species on Earth lives here. But the Amazon is not just a collection of trees. It is a complex living system, a giant natural machine that has been operating for over 55 million years. Why is it called the lungs of the Earth? The Amazon rainforest plays a massive role in regulating Earth's atmosphere. Here's how it works in simple terms. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, a major cause of global warming. They release oxygen during photosynthesis. The forest stores billions of tons of carbon in trees and soil, although the 20% oxygen claim is debated. One fact is clear: the Amazon stabilizes the planet's climate like no other ecosystem. It also creates something called flying rivers. Trees release water vapor into the air, which forms clouds and carries rain across South America, and even affects weather patterns in North America, Europe, and Africa. Without the Amazon, rainfall cycles around the world would be severely disrupted. The Amazon rainforest is the most biologically diverse place on Earth. It is home to over 40,000 plant species, around 1,300 bird species, more than 430 mammals, nearly 3 million insect species, thousands of reptiles and amphibians. Every single hectare of rainforest can contain more tree species than exist in all of Europe combined. Animals like jaguars, sloths, anacondas, poison dart, frogs, pink river dolphins, many of these species exist nowhere else on Earth. Scientists believe millions of species remain undiscovered, meaning the Amazon still holds secrets humanity has never seen. Cutting through the rainforest is the mighty Amazon River. It is the largest river by volume on the planet, releasing more freshwater into the ocean than the next 7 largest rivers combined. Important facts: it carries 20% of all river water on Earth. It is over 6,400 kilometers long during the rainy season. It can expand to over 40 kilometers wide. The river supports fish populations, transportation, indigenous communities, entire ecosystems. Without the Amazon River, the rainforest cannot survive. More than 400 indigenous tribes live in the Amazon. Some tribes have never contacted modern civilization. No written language, no modern tools or technology. They survive using deep knowledge of medicinal plants, sustainable hunting and farming, strong spiritual connections to the forest. Modern science has learned that areas protected by indigenous tribes have the lowest deforestation rates. They are not destroying the Amazon, they are protecting it. The Amazon is stunning but extremely dangerous. Inside the jungle are venomous snakes, deadly spiders, and insects, toxic plants, large predators. A simple injury or wrong plant can be fatal. Dense vegetation blocks sunlight. Navigation is difficult, and survival without knowledge is nearly impossible. The rainforest is not hostile, but it demands respect and understanding. The greatest danger to the Amazon is human activity. Every minute, forests are cleared for farming, trees are cut for illegal logging, land is destroyed for mining and roads. This causes massive carbon release, loss of wildlife habitat, displacement of indigenous tribes, accelerated climate change. Scientists warn that if 25% of the Amazon is destroyed, the rainforest may reach a tipping point where it can no longer regenerate itself. If the Amazon dies, global temperatures will rise rapidly. Rainfall patterns will collapse. Food production will suffer. Worldwide climate disasters will increase. This is not a distant future. It is already beginning. The Amazon rainforest has survived for millions of years. It survived natural disasters, climate shifts, and time itself. But now, its greatest threat is us. The Amazon doesn't need saving from nature. It needs saving from human greed. Because in the end, saving the Amazon is not about trees. It's about survival.